Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert Excel file to PDF. I have this Excel file, I will convert this to PDF. It's very simple. Just press Ctrl P, then you will be redirected to here. Here you have to select the printer, Microsoft Print to PDF. Select this printer. You can see the preview, or you can change the orientation of page to landscape or portrait. After that, click on print. Now you have to choose the folder where to save and give this file a name. Then click on save. Now the file is saved. Let's go to desktop and see the file. Here you can see the PDF is saved. This is how you can convert an Excel file to PDF without any additional software. Thank you everyone.